Hi there, I'm here to help you understand Form W-7, the IRS form used to apply for an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN. Let's break it down together. Form W-7 is your application for an ITIN. An ITIN is a tax processing number for people who need to file U.S. taxes but aren't eligible for a Social Security number. For example, this might include non-resident aliens, dependents of U.S. taxpayers, or international students with specific tax needs. If you don't have a Social Security number and you're required to file a U.S. tax return, you need an ITIN. It helps the IRS process your return and ensures you comply with U.S. tax laws. It's simple. You fill out Form W-7 and attach supporting documents that prove your identity and foreign status. For most people, a passport is enough. Then send it along with your federal tax return to the IRS. All this goes to the IRS ITIN Operations Office in Austin, Texas. You can also apply in person at an IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center or through a certified acceptance agent. If you already have an ITIN but haven't used it on a tax return in 3 years, it might expire. Don't worry though, you can renew it by submitting another Form W-7. Once you submit your application, the IRS processes it, and if everything checks out, you'll receive your ITIN in about 7 weeks. And that's Form W-7 in a nutshell. Tax forms can be tricky, but you've got this. Looking for assistance with your tax filing? At Standard Tax Filing, we offer comprehensive tax filing services for individuals across the U.S. Whether you need help with Form W-7, ITIN renewals, or preparing your federal tax return, we're here to make the process smooth and stress-free. Reach out to us today and let us handle the paperwork while you focus on what matters most.